George Soros, a name that has forever entered the history of global finance. His journey spans from humble beginnings in post-war Hungary to becoming one of the world's most influential investors, with a net worth of approximately $8.6 billion according to the latest Forbes data. In this video, we will explore how his story began, which deals changed his fate, and what his experience, both his successes and his mistakes, can teach us with relevant lessons for today's stock and cryptocurrency markets. George Soros was born in Hungary in the 1930s and grew up during challenging post-war times. In his early years, he faced hardships and even worked temporarily as a shepherd, a humble beginning that symbolizes his hard work and his ability to value every opportunity. After emigrating and obtaining a higher education at the London School of Economics, Soros realized that the world of finance is a language capable of changing the fate of entire nations. Starting his career in the financial sector, Soros founded his first investment fund, which later grew into the legendary Quantum Fund. There, he applied his unique methods of analysis and risk management. In 1992, during Black Wednesday, Soros bet against the British pound sterling. His strategy proved so successful that the Quantum Fund earned about $1 billion from that deal. Adjusted for inflation, that sum would be approximately $2.1 billion in 2025. This operation brought him worldwide fame and became a symbol of the potential to change the course of global economies. What helped George Soros achieve such phenomenal success? Here are a few key principles he always applied: detailed analysis and preparation. Soros always conducted deep market analysis and maintained that the world can change the rules of the game. This approach allowed him to see opportunities where others only saw risks, willingness to go against the crowd. When most investors believed in the stability of the British pound, Soros dared to go against conventional sentiment, which brought him enormous profit. This lesson is still relevant today, especially in the stock and cryptocurrency markets, where public opinion often misleads. Risk management. Every deal by Soros was accompanied by thorough risk analysis. He understood that large profits can only be achieved when losses are controlled. This principle is fundamental to successful trading, whether in traditional markets or in the world of digital assets. Continuous learning. Even after achieving tremendous success, Soros continuously learned, analyzed his mistakes, and refined his strategies. The ability to acknowledge mistakes and adapt is the key to long-term success. It is important to note that the principles Soros followed remain relevant today. In modern stock and cryptocurrency markets, discipline, in-depth analysis, and risk management are the keys to success in conditions of high volatility and uncertainty. Today, George Soros is not only a legend on the global financial stage, but also an active participant in public and political discussions. His investments and philanthropic work have changed the lives of millions of people around the world. The fortune he earned over his career, which is now estimated at $8.6 billion, attests to his outstanding success. But most importantly, his philosophy, based on deep analytical methods, risk management, and continuous self-improvement, continues to inspire and serve as an example for investors of all kinds. His story is not only a tale of billions of dollars earned, but also a lesson on the importance of adhering to the fundamental rules of trading. Whether it's traditional stocks or cryptocurrencies, analyze the market, manage your risks, and always learn from your mistakes. These lessons will help you build your future on a solid foundation. George Soros proved that even from the humblest beginnings, one can achieve incredible heights. His journey, from working as a shepherd to earning an amount equivalent to over $1 billion in a single deal and reaching a net worth of $8.6 billion, serves as a vivid example of how discipline, in-depth analysis, and the ability to manage risks lead to global success. Let his story inspire you to adhere to the fundamental principles of trading, whether you're working in traditional markets or in the world of cryptocurrencies. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next episode.